Good morning, friends. In reading today, we will be previewing prefixes, and we will be doing this by watching a brain pop on prefixes. We have been learning about them throughout the week, and I thought today it would be kind of fun to review by watching this video, and then we can do the little quiz that comes afterwards. So sit back and enjoy.
Just add one more to the top. It's okay, Moby. We can rebuild it. What are prefixes? A prefix is a letter or a group of letters that is attached to the beginning of a word to change its meaning. Well, in the word rebuild, the root word is build. The prefix re means again. So rebuild means to build again. When you rewrite something, you write it over again. When you replant a flower, you plant it again. The prefix miss means wrong or badly. So misspell means to spell incorrectly. People misbehave when they mistreat others. Cool! Here's superstar. The prefix super can emphasize the meaning of a word or make it greater. Prefixes can change the meaning of a word. What prefixes give a word an opposite meaning? In the word unsafe, the root word is safe, but the prefix un means not. So unsafe means not safe. This cake has unequal slices. It's unlucky if your ice cream falls. You unwrap a gift. The prefix dis also means not. You might dislike something or disagree with someone. Pinocchio's nose grew when he was dishonest. I can think of other prefixes that give the root word an opposite meaning. The prefixes ill, in, usually mean not. Illegal means not legal. Impossible means not possible. Inconsiderate means not considerate. Irresponsible means not responsible. What prefixes describe amounts or numbers? You can use words that you know to help you figure out what prefixes mean. I know a bicycle has 2 wheels, and binoculars have 2 lenses. A tricycle has 3 wheels, and a triangle has 3 angles or corners. So the prefix bi means 2, and tri means 3. There are 100 years in a century, so the prefix cent means 100. There are 1,000 millimeters in a meter, so the prefix milli means 1,000. I know there are a ton of prefixes, but you learn them as you read. How can prefixes help you understand what you read? I'm reading a book about plants. Some plants can grow in sub-zero temperatures. I'm not sure what the word sub-zero means. I can break apart the prefix and the root to help me understand. I know that a submarine travels underwater, and a subway travels below ground. The prefix sub must mean under. So sub-zero temperatures must mean temperatures that are below 0 degrees. Brr.
All right, so let's go ahead and take the easy quiz. Okay, an autobiography is a book a person writes about himself or herself. What does the prefix auto mean? Let's see, do you think it might mean A, self, B, not, C, below, or D, again? Let's go back and look at our clues. An autobiography is a book a person writes about himself or herself. So based on that clue, I am going to guess A, self. Correct. Number 2, students cooperate to make a project. What does the prefix co mean? A, against, B, work, C, create, D, together. Let's go back and read for clues. Students cooperate to make a project. Let's see. We have students working together on a project, so I'm going to guess D, together. Correct. Number 3, what does remake mean? A, to lose something, B, to create something new, C, to take something apart, or D, to make something again? Remake. What do you think? I'm going to say D, to make something again. Correct. Number 4, Grandpa undercooked the meat and it was still a little raw. What is the opposite of undercooked? So now not what does under mean, but what is the opposite of undercooked? Uncooked, overcooked, pre-cooked, or recooked? Well, let's see. What is the opposite of under? I think we all know that could be over. So overcooked, correct. Number 5, a triathlon is a competition that has 3 events. What might you call a competition that has 2 events? So over here, triathlon has the prefix tri. Tri means 3. What do we think 2 means? Biathlon, decathlon, marathon, or python? Well, we know it's not python. I know bi means 2, so I'm going to choose biathlon. Correct. All right. 5 out of 5. Yay. Let's try the hard quiz. Are you up for it? Okay, number 1. This is a semicircle. What do you think the prefix semi means? Full, half, small, or large? So we know what a whole circle looks like. If this is a semicircle, that looks like half to me. I'm going to choose B. Correct. Grandpa took a transatlantic flight to Great Britain. What does transatlantic mean? Across the Atlantic Ocean, under the Atlantic Ocean, after the Atlantic Ocean, or against the Atlantic Ocean? Well, it looks like he traveled across the sea, so let's go with across. A. Correct. Which word means used incorrectly? A, reused, B, unused, C, disused, or D, misused? To use incorrectly. I think this is a little tricky, but I know disused isn't a word, so I'm going to go with misused. Correct. And 4, Harriet Tubman was anti-slavery and helped slaves escape to freedom. What does the prefix anti mean? A, new, B, extra, C, favor, or D, against? If she is anti-slavery to help slaves, she's helping, so she must be against. D. Correct. And number 5, how can you rewrite this sentence? Moby did not treat the library book properly. A. Moby retreated the library book. B. Moby pre-treated the library book. C. Moby mistreated the library book. Or D. Moby untreated the library book. If he did not treat it properly, I know that he mistreated. D. Oops, C. Correct. All right. Did you get 5 out of 5 for both quizzes too? I hope so. All right, let's go ahead and I know you guys like Papa Joke and Belly Up. Let's do that. Let's do Belly Up quick. Dinner is ready. Why'd you look so unhappy, Joey? It's the Swiss cheese. I dislike the holes. Well, just eat all the cheese and leave the holes on your plate. All right, and let's do a Papa Joke. Why was the broom late to school? Let's find out. Why was the broom late to school? It overswept. All right, friends, this is the end of our reading. For today, our reading video, you have a reading work that you need to work on now, and I'll see you this afternoon with math. See ya.